What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be talking about my summer 2018 project that I've been working on, which is my APC raw denim jeans, and I'm going to be doing my first wash for you guys on my channel and showing you how they actually come out. So let's get into it. So before I actually wash the jeans, I just wanted to show you guys kind of what they look like so far. This is with like casual daily wear for roughly 6 to 8 months. So it was a little bit before summer. I've been breaking these in, kind of getting them as dirty as I can and as gross as I can before I actually do their first soak. Basically I would use these like on daily runs, just like around the city, to work. Actually, the last thing I did with them was I helped like pulling weeds in the garden, which is kind of like gross, and they got really dirty, filled with like mud and all this nasty shit. But it should actually come out kind of sick after I wash them, supposedly, so I guess we'll see. So this is the before, and we'll get into the soak and we'll see what these bad boys look like after. Before I get into this wash, just wanted to show off the fit a little bit. Fall Winter 13 blowout denim, Saint Laurent SLP sneakers, and a vintage Dr. Dre t-shirt, very rare, you dig? Guys, so the first step to this whole wash is to have yourself a bucket of water, clean cold water, your woolite, and your dirty ass jeans. So first step, we got to get them inside the bucket. We got to get them nice and soaked. So I'm actually going to use both hands to get them nice and soaked and then pour the woolite, but I'll show you step by step exactly how this all goes down. So now that you can see that the water is starting to get a little bit blue and a little bit dirty with all the dirt that's coming off, and now you can start to pour some of the woolite into the spots that you want to see the most fading, like the whisker areas. So that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to pour it onto the back whiskers so that I can get a lot of detail out of that. I'm going to start to scrub it in. You can start seeing a lot of fading in that area. And none of this really destroys the denim. It's actually going to make everything look a lot cooler in the end result. Shit's gross.
So why specifically woolite?
I don't know. They say that it holds the color good. Like it doesn't allow the jeans to lose the indigo color like bad. But I don't know. There's, you know that brand Aesop that I use for the hands? They also make selvage jean wash, but I'm not paying like $40 for something. If Woolite wants to send me some shit off of this, that would be great. It's out still?
No. I don't know.
It's your kid. You gotta put it back in his stuff.
Say what?
You heard.
This is your kid too. What the fuck? All of a sudden it's just my kid?
I don't touch dicks.
I don't touch them either.
Guys, so the hard part's over. All the cleaning has been done. I'm gonna fill this with some clean cold water, let them soak for about 2 hours, and then hang dry them. And hopefully by morning, they should be all dried up and ready to wear. And I could show off the end result of what they look like with all the fading and all the cool little detailing that they should have. So, next part. Alright, so it's a new day. The jeans should almost be done drying so I can really get into the fades and all that on the back of the legs and on the front. But in the meantime, had to take out little man so that he could piss and get all his business out before I actually get into the review. So stay tuned. Come on, dude. Come on, Ariel. Come. Alright, so they finally finished drying. They didn't get as light as I wish they would have gotten. Like there's some cool detailing over here. Kind of looks like some tiger claw type stuff. Some fading along like the sides. But they didn't get any like crazy fades in. Like this, you could start seeing the whiskering in the back. I read some like stuff online that says like after the first wash, once you start actually wearing them, that you'll actually start seeing this lighten up really fast. So I'm hoping that that's kind of what happens in the next couple weeks when I start breaking these in again and start up the next like 6 to 8 months of wear. But yeah, that's what they look like, and they're a lot softer, I will say that. Guys, so I wanted to just do a post wash on body clip showing kind of how they've lightened up over maybe 3 to 4 wears in the past week. And I actually kind of like them now. Initially when I washed them and I was just kind of looking at them inside and the inside lighting, I didn't really see the detailing come out, but after seeing them outside after a couple wears and stuff, I could kind of see all the fades and everything, and it's starting to light up. So I think for the first wash, they actually came out really good. You could kind of see like the detailing along the leg that I was talking about before, and some of the washing that came out over here. And overall, I think they look pretty good for first wash. So now I'm pretty happy with them. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check me out in the next vid. Later, guys.